How to land paid collabs? Love you, by the way. Answering your questions. A vlog. I'm so sorry for that noise. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kshitija and you're watching Kshitija. So today is going to be a really fun video where you guys get to know me very well, since I have not posted anything on my YouTube, which is the long format. I've been posting some shorts, but long video it's not happening for me because like itna busy schedule ho gaya tha, like college started and then I had my exams, then there were many things that came between the long format video of my YouTube. So guys, this is a Q&A video where I answer your questions. बराबर बोला ना मैंने? Yes, I answer your question. So if you haven't subscribed, then please do, because we are very close to 5,000 subscribers. So I need your support to reach 5,000 subscribers. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Hi, if you don't know me, hi, my name is Kshitija Shinde and my age is 18. I'm a 2007 born. My birthday is on 17 July and I'm from Mumbai. Why did I start YouTube? It's not for the sake of money. It's because I love creating stuff and shooting stuff. I love makeup, I love dance. Recently I have pakudoffied a niche which is makeup, skincare and just random stuff like jo bhi trend mein aa raha hai, I'm just doing that. That is on Instagram, not on YouTube. So first question is, what degree you are doing? So I am doing BA MMC, which is mass media, in college. So I'm a college student. Next is Snap ID. So I'll mention my Snap ID. You can follow me there because I also post spotlights and real time mein jo bhi cheez kar I'll just post it on my Snapchat stories. So yeah, you should really go and follow me there. Someone has written in sari and they have put some emojis. So yeah, in sari I look good. I know that. I know that. What? How to land? मैंने खुद की राइटिंग लिखी है, मेरे को खुद ही नहीं समझ रहा क्या लिखा है मैंने. Love you by the way. Okay. Okay. How to land paid collabs? Love you by the way. गर्ली पॉप से सब यहाँ पे. तो तुम अपने इंस्टाग्राम को पहले ग्रो करो. पहले तुम लोग को ना बाटा कोलैब्स से ही स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. Then you can move to. Actually, for paid collabs, you don't have to run after the brands like मेरे को paid चाहिए. They'll come हमारे पास because they also want to promote their products, so they'll come to you. Just wait, have patience. मैंने 4 years patience खाया है to get this. Like I'll tell कि कितने brands के साथ I have worked till now, and also I want to add that BMMC, that is the mass media course, that is very useful for content creation. If like I don't know, nowadays I want to share this to you guys, like nowadays every other person is a content creator and 4 years ago it was completely different. Like there were content creators, but the rate has boomed. Keep doing what you love and just be yourself. That's the one advice I can give you all. Okay, next. Arey, aap to Bhavans wali cute didi ho. Yes. Actually, I studied, my 11th and 12th was in Bhavans. So yeah, that is what the misal pav khaila yeshil ka. Yes. Okay. Why not? Sure. I love Maharashtrian food. Haircut from which salon? So guys, तो गोरेगा स्टेशन में there is a place called as City Center. On the last floor, which is the 3rd floor, they have multiple saloons, but there is one constant where I go, like I'm a loyal customer to them. I don't know what name do they have, but I'll just pop up the name here, right? Traditional or Western? It depends on the occasion or what the vibe is. Oh, traditional days, sorry. Traditional means I'm a Maharashtrian, so I wear Marathi saris, and also she's talking about that. But I genuinely love traditional saris like Nath and Chandrakor, everything which is traditional. So yeah. कौन सा phone है आपके पास? iPhone 13 Pro Max, and of course I need to add that this is 1 TB. Yes, I know guys. 1 TB is a lot, but for me it's not. Just मैंने मेरे 2 साल में मेरा 1 TB full हो गया था, like full. I want you guys to tell me what you want on this channel to be posted in the comments. If you are seeing this video till here, then drop this emoji, then I'll know कि कौन इधर तक video देख रहा है. So yeah, that's it for the video. I'm very sorry to be you know, not posting videos for like 6 months and like just gayab on the long format, but the short format is there. The channel is alive because of the short format. तुम मेरे videos देखते हो पर तुम लोग subscribe नहीं करते, तो subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. I'll see you in the next time guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.